Hello, I'm Katie Jerram-Hunnable. I'm Renwick Sons Showing Ambassador. I'm here today to talk you through using the kit. The face brush, a really useful piece of equipment. We're soft one end, we're slightly stiffer the other end, but we're so soft, it's absolutely beautiful. Even the harder end, it's soft, but it flicks the dirt out. It's really useful in crevices on the head. You can even use the soft bit in the horse's ear just to get the dirt and dust out of there. Under the throat's fantastic, it fits in the gully between the cheekbones underneath, and you can really get him when they've been sweaty, had a hard piece of work. It flicks the dirt, it flicks it out. Above the eyes, between the ears. It's just a really handy piece of equipment. Anti-slip, thumb and first finger, really useful grip you've got there, then the rest of your hand just relaxes round. It's a very useful size. I've not known a brush to be this size before, and made so that it does actually work on the horse's face absolutely perfectly. Really useful, and just the horses love it.